Hello there. Welcome to Takoda Kids Adventures. So nice to see you here today. It's another beautiful day. Right now, I'm looking for my favorite squeaky toy. Well, I can't seem to find it. I wonder where it went. I'm going to head down the hallway and see if I can find it. Let me take a look around. I must have forgot my favorite toy somewhere. Oh, I see a toy under the couch. Wait, this isn't it. I'll keep looking. Wait, maybe here? This isn't it either. This is my fluffy duck. I wonder where to look now. I found another toy. It's not the one I'm looking for though. I wonder where is my favorite squeaky toy. Oh, surprise! There's Pearl. She's having a cat nap. I wonder if she has seen my toy. Wait a minute. I can't believe this. She's got my favorite toy. Oh boy. What can I do now? I want my toy. Oh boy. I'm remembering now. Last time I surprised Pearl, she hissed at me. I definitely don't want that to happen again. Maybe we can switch. I'd better be careful not to scare her. Maybe if I bring her this blanket. Maybe she will switch. Ooh, she's moving a bit. I'm going to back up a bit to be safe. Well, let's give it one more try. Here you go, Pearl. Okay, this is a little tricky. Ooch, she's waking. Pearl, it's just me. I have something for you, Pearl. I brought this soft blanket for you, Pearl. Ooch, Pearl, it's okay. Here, I brought you this nice soft blanket. Here, Pearl. Yes, This is for you. I'm so happy you want this. Oh, you're so pretty. Can I please have my squeaky toy back? Pretty please, can I have my toy? Sweet. Oh, okay, well. I can take that, please. Thank you, Pearl. Pearl, you look so cozy. Really, Pearl, you ready to sleep again? Pearl, you're 100% sure you don't want to play? Wow, Pearl and her cat naps. Oh well, Pearl doesn't want to play. The good news is, I got my favorite toy back. I was pretty nervous to wake Pearl. It all worked out fine. Make sure you return and join me on the next adventure. Remember, ask your grown-up to subscribe for more adventures with me. Bye-bye for now.